Hey crochet friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today, we're diving into a super cute and surprisingly easy project, a heart-patterned coaster. This is perfect for beginners, or anyone who wants a quick, satisfying project. We'll be going step by step, so don't worry if you're new to crochet. I really think you'll love this one, and inspiring for your crochet journey. The finished coaster will be about 4 inches in diameter, which makes it the perfect size for a cup or mug. I'm using Himalaya Himagurumi cotton yarn for this project. I'll be working with a 2.5mm crochet hook, which gives the perfect tension for this pattern. If you love this project and want to see more fun crochet tutorials, please support my channel by subscribing. If you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Ready to get started? Let's jump right into making this heart coaster. We'll begin by making a magic circle, also known as a magic ring. Chain 3. Then make a double crochet into the ring. Including the starting chain, we're going to make a total of 15 double crochets inside the ring. Keep going until you have all 15. Once you've completed the 15 double crochets, pull the tail of the magic ring to tighten it. Slip stitch into the top of the beginning chain to close the round. Chain 3. And then make a double crochet into that very same stitch. Now, make 1 double crochet into the top of the next stitch. And then 2 double crochets into the top of the following stitch. See? We've already made a group of 5 double crochets. Chain 1, and then repeat that pattern. 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, and 2 double crochets in the one after that. That's your second group of 5. Chain 1 again. Now one more time, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. That's your third group. You'll continue this all the way around until you have 5 groups of 5 double crochets each. I've already done 3, so I'll quickly finish the last 2. Okay, I'm at the end of the round. Chain 1 and slip stitch to the top of that first chain 3. Now, if your work is looking a little tight, don't worry. You can chain 2 between the groups instead of chain 1. For the next round, chain 3 and double crochet into that same stitch. Then, double crochet in each stitch until you get to the last stitch of the group. In that last one, you'll do 2 double crochets. By working 2 double crochets in the first and last stitch of each group from the previous round, and 1 double crochet in each stitch in between, we've now increased each group to have a total of 7 double crochets. You should now have 7 double crochet in each group. Chain 2, and we'll do the same thing in the next group. 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches, and then 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Again, you'll end up with 7 double crochets. All right, I'm at the end of the round. Chain 2 and join with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. Chain 3, and you guessed it, double crochet into that same stitch. Just like before, we're increasing at the beginning and end of each group. So, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch across, and then 2 double crochets in the very last stitch. This time, you'll have 9 double crochets in each group. Chain 2. Same thing in the next group. 2 double crochets in the first, 1 in each across, and 2 in the last, for a total of 9. Keep going like this all the way around. End of the round. Chain 2 and slip stitch to join. Chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch. We're doing exactly the same thing again this round. Increase at the beginning and end of each group, so you'll end up with 11 double crochets in each group this time. Chain 2, and repeat that around. 2 double crochets in the first, 1 in each across, 2 in the last. 11 double crochets total. Keep going until you get to the end of the round. Chain 2, slip stitch to join. We're getting there. Now for the final round, where we make the cute little hearts. Skip the next 2 stitches, and into the third stitch, make 9 triple crochet stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches and make a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches again, and in that next stitch, make another 9 triple crochets. After those 9 triple crochets, go to that chain space between the groups and make 2 single crochets. And there's your first heart. Isn't it adorable? Now, we'll just repeat that all the way around. Skip the next 2 spaces and work 9 treble crochets to start your next heart. Skip 2 spaces, single crochet. Skip 2 spaces and work 9 treble crochets to finish the second petal of this heart. Then, 2 single crochets in that chain space between the groups. Continue these steps until the end of the row. At the end, make 2 single crochets in that last chain space. Now cut your yarn, leaving a tail, and we'll make an invisible join to finish off neatly. Weave in that yarn tail securely through the loops on the back of your coaster, hiding it as well as you can. And there you have it. Your heart-patterned coaster is complete. I hope you had fun making it. That brings us to the end of today's video tutorial. If you want to keep crocheting along with me and learn lots more fun and easy projects, make sure to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss a new tutorial, and you'll be part of our lovely crochet community. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might enjoy a little crochet therapy. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.